Excavating the soil with vertical edges can lead to collapse of soil. Do not undercut the edges of excavation. Always take care to store materials away from the excavation pit, as their presence close to the excavation may trigger the collapse of soil. Remember, the minimum distance to keep the materials and excavated soil is 1 meter away from the edge. Passing of vehicles close to the excavation will also trigger the collapse of soil. Hence, barricade the area well away from the pit to restrict vehicle movement. Don't allow any equipment or store tool and tackles near to the excavation. Accumulation of water inside the pit can induce the collapse of excavation. Do the following to prevent accumulation of water. Construct a drain around the pit as per instructions of the supervisor to divert surface water away from the pit. Dewatering of pit is done through different ways, such as by making well points around the excavation to lower the groundwater table, using self-priming dewatering pumps, both electrical as well as diesel operated, using electrical slush pump. Remember, you should not try to operate the pump unless you are trained and authorized to do so. Do not wear loose clothing when working near pumps. While operating electrical slush pump, never touch the pump when it is operating. To prevent soil collapse, all excavations more than 1.5 meters deep need to be protected by a proper method of protection, such as sloping, benching, timber shoring, sheet piling, secant piling, etc. Excavation using mechanical equipment. Never attempt to enter the swinging area of the excavators, as you may get hit. Only authorized operators and drivers are permitted to operate the vehicles and equipment. No one is allowed to accompany the driver during excavation operation. Beware of overhead electrical lines nearby during excavation. Even the vehicle's presence near to the overhead lines can cause electrocution. Access and egress. Use proper access and egress to get in and outside the excavation, such as ramps, stair towers, or ladders. While walking on ramps, use the designated pathway for pedestrians to protect yourself from the hazard of moving vehicles. Hold the handrail while using stair tower and ramps. If a ladder is used as a means of access, follow the safety precautions for ladders strictly. While working in an excavation, always be aware of the closest access point for use in case of any emergency. Backfilling. To prevent the vehicles passing near to the pit, stop blocks are to be provided. All vehicles and equipments, when operated on reverse mode, should have reverse horn. Edge barricade and lighting. To prevent fall of persons and equipment, the open pits shall be provided with hard barricades. Necessary warning boards to caution the people